Thing about Riptide, it has a very specific strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Up,
I'm
down,
going
up,
to
down,
teach you the
down,
whole
up,
song.
down, down, up, down, up. A minor, down, down, up, down, up. Then you change to the G and you go down, down, up, down, up. And the C, you do two of them. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I was scared of dentists down the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. The other magicians assisting in their dreams. And they come unstuck. For the chorus, you want to change your strum. Chorus, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Lady running down to the riptide, taking away to the bright side. Oh, dark side, I want to be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Back to the verse. There's a smoothie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck. And then there's one other section of this song which is different again. It's called the bridge. I just wanna know. Now, different strum again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Slow. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. After the two, you want to go down, up, 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 down, up. So it goes like this. I just gotta know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I just have it, I can't have it any other way. I swear he's destined for the screen, closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, really soft. Lady running down to the riptide, taking away to the bright dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause pick up the chorus.